So the time is somewhere around 18:13. In the morning, not morning, the noon somewhere, around 1600 when I went out for tea, snack and everything. So, what do you call it? A grey-haired guy, not always, but he's often there. So I was checking. I cannot check the, what do you call it? Whatever the updates are regarding those art material, I cannot check it yet. So I have to go out and check it, right? Uh, so I was checking it, and the grey-haired guy was as if he was also on the phone activity and he was watching me. So look, चिचा कबरुद्दीन, कबरुद्दीन इसलिए कि एक पाव कबर में और एक पाव ग्रे है, हाँ क्या, एक पाव कबर में और एक पाव स्कैम में. तबीयत वबीयत का ध्यान रखो जरा. चिचा कबरुद्दीन का कबर में है इसलिए चिचा कबरुद्दीन. वाई यू वांट टू डू दिस? Spend some time in making art material, you will make lot of money. Less money but hard earned money. What is this? This is nothing. स्कैम एंड ऑल, ये क्या है? बदुआ लेके कौन किसको जीनेगा ये सब? अभी मेरे पीछे इतने लोग हैं लेकिन मेरे पीछे बदुआ नहीं है. इन लोगों के पीछे कोई नहीं पर इनके पीछे बदुआ है. ये फर्क है इनमें और मुझ में. इसलिए मेरे ऊपर मर्डर अटेम्प्ट होने के बाद भी मैं जिंदा हूँ और इनके ऊपर हल्की सी मूंगी काटी तो भी ये ऊपर निकल जाएंगे. समझे? ये बद्दुआ उनके साथ है हमेशा. समझे? तो that Chicha Kibruddin, he is doing it or not doing, I don't know the grey haired guy, but Chicha Kibruddin, if you are doing it, this is not the age to, what do you call it, do this, you know. Chicha Kabruddin must be 2 decades older than me. Why Chicha Kabruddin want to do this? Grey haired guy. क्या करने गए? Anyways, Chicha Kabruddin. Nice name, na? So, people shouldn't call him this. Grey haired guy. Chicha Kabruddin. Take care of yourself. Do something good rather than this scam.